You will be thrilled to know that 3ds Max Design 2011 now supports FBX filing, allowing you to receive and manage upstream design changes from Autodesk Revit. The intelligent filing workflow is the following. I will start in Revit by exporting in FBX. This urban retail store is only in the early stage of the project, and most of the design decisions still need to be done. But by using FileLink, I will be able to start my visualization, generate shadow and light analysis in 3ds Max Design, allowing iteration and deeper understanding of my design. In 3ds Max Design 2011, under the main menu, Reference, I can open the FileLink Manager window. FileLink works the same way with FBX, DXF or DWG files. I will point to the FBX Phase 1 file I just exported as the link file. Out-of-the-box presets are added providing different combine by options. You can take advantage of new import options to group incoming data, helping to optimize and simplify management of complex data sets. You choose to combine by either Revit material, categories, family, or as one object, or not to combine at all, which result is identical to current FBX imports. You also have access to the presets of all of these options, allowing you to pick and choose what to import and have control over the materials. So let's attach this file using the Combine by Material option, which will reduce the number of entities of the incoming data by merging meshes based on Revit materials. The file link camera, daylight system, materials, and clean data with no edge faces showing anymore. You also have access to a dummy pivot point, allowing you to easily move the entire link data. All objects have been placed on a layer named after the FBX data file link, helping you organize your scene. If I open the Scene Explorer, you will notice that all objects are merged and named after their Revit materials, helping you with overall management of data and materials iteration. The only thing I need to do from here is adjust my exposure control and either start rendering, create shadow or light analysis, and start my visualization process. You do that by applying different material to the object and re-render to compare the results. Meanwhile, the Revit model is evolving and I will need to upload these changes while keeping the new materials I have applied to my model. In Revit, my model is slowly taking shape with more construction details. I now have electric staircase, mullions for my curtain walls, railing, and more detailing. I will re-export the update design and either overwrite my first FBX model or simply rename it because a new file name is also supported. Changing, adding, or deleting Revit object is supported as well. While reopening my FileLink Manager window in 3ds Max Design, because I have override the phase1.fbx file, there is a red flag on my file link icon letting me know that this file have received some changes. I can either choose to upload the updated version or navigate to the updated file. I will choose to reload for this example. The Setting Options window will open where I can choose what to reload and decide whether or not I want to preserve the 3ds Max material or reload Revit materials. I will preserve the 3ds Max material I just assigned for this example and click OK. And there you go. I received the updated FBX file with the design changes such as the electrical staircase, window mullions, and columns while preserving the material update I had created in 3ds Max Design, reducing rework of visualization when original design are revised and refined. FileLink made subsequent updates of the same project accessible, allowing visualization process to take form at the same time than the design evolve. You can also decide to link multiple files at the same time, allowing for comparison and iteration studies. In Revit, I will export the final phase of my design to an FBX file. Back in 3ds Max Design, let's open the FileLink Management window. I will hide the layer with the first phase of my project for now and point to the final FBX file. For the final phase, I will choose not to combine my objects and not bring the daylight system in camera since I have updated them in my current 3ds Max Design projects. And here is the results. I now have two FBX file links in my project that sits on their own layer for ease of organization. I can easily toggle between these two different files, allowing for comparison. Once I have decided which project I want to keep, I can bind my file, allowing me to modify, delete, and adjust the mesh objects. Now that the mesh is bind to the project, I have access to its setting in Control Panel the same way I would do if I had imported this geometry. You will enjoy the new FBX filing feature, reducing rework of visualization when original designs are revised and refined, supporting nonlinear decision-making process, and facilitating collaborative iterative workflow. You can see here some of the steps I was able to do with my evolving design. This intelligent handling of data will help you save time, give you flexibility, and allow you to test your visualization as the Revit design progresses.